Let me show you how to insert SIM card in your iPhone 17 and also 17 Pro. So if you purchase actually these phones outside of United States, we actually still get a physical SIM card slot. But if you are in States, obviously we do not have that. So to pop out this tray, we can simply press this tiny tool included inside the box in this tiny hole. So simply insert it inside here. Okay, and then we're simply going to press it like this inside, and we see, yeah, the SIM card tray actually pops out. Then to insert the SIM card, simply closely observe the design of the SIM card tray. So you see we have a tiny triangle on it, on the bottom of it. So we are going to take our SIM card. Okay, so you see also have a tiny triangle here on this corner here. So I'm simply going to adjust it like this. So with a triangle there, and then simply let's insert it inside the phone. Okay, and simply push it inside and make sure it's completely flush, otherwise the phone won't be waterproof. And then if you also, for example, go in the settings, so mobile service settings here, you'll be able to see basically your SIM card over here. Also, obviously, this phone can use dual SIM cards as well. So one physical SIM card plus also one eSIM. So if you want to set up eSIM, you can click over here. If you are in the United States, this phone only supports eSIMs, and we can actually still insert 2 eSIMs in this phone as well. Okay, good luck.